Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this trendy hand fan tutorial. Materials needed are the strong bone, the glue, my candle and my candle gum, my scissors, my needle and my thread. Next, the lace material and the lining that will be used to cover the carton. Then my net, my carton, my material. This is going to be substituting for my bars because I couldn't get bars, then my measuring tape, and then my appliques. So next we're going to go to using our glue to glue on top of the strong bone. We're going to now be using this to cover the bone. If you have a bias, it will be easier. It's better you use that, as it will make it easier and neater. Then after you cover your bone with the material, you're going to close it up. You can make use of a needle and thread, or you can make use of the material as I did. Now you see that the 4 bones are ready. Next, I'm going to be using this net to cover my material. You take your time enough to tension it so that it can bring out a very nice and neat work. Carefully arrange and then tie it up. With your needle and thread, you then tie up. Ensuring there are no loose ends. Then with the help of our scissors, we're going to cut out the excesses. Now next we measure our carton. As you can see, 9.5 inches. Carefully carve out your shape and then cut it out. Then next you're going to use your material, and with your glue you're going to cover your material. Carefully and neatly do so. As you can see, I'm making use of patches because my material were coming in bits, but you can see the neater part for the other one. Now I'm going to carefully join these bones together with my needle and my thread. Ensure you tightly and carefully hold them so that it will be very firm and it will not dance. Then next, with my candle gum, there was no light, so I had to make use of my candle to heat up my glue. So I'm going to carefully place that carton part on top of the places I put my glue. You can see that my work is almost done. Now I'm going to cover the under part. You can do it this way, or you can just join it directly without covering the under part. I just wanted to do this my own way for a very neat work. So my lace has already been placed, and then next I'm going to be putting my appliques. You can leave it plain like this, but to achieve a very beautiful work, you can put your appliques as you like. I carefully put my appliques around the area, around the edges. Now you can see my beautiful hand fan. Do well to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Portion Events.